So how to get started with Heygen's new moving Photo Avatar feature. First, go to your dashboard on the left, and under Assets, click Avatars. Slide over to Photo Avatar and click Create Photo Avatar. From there, you have two options: upload your own image or generate one directly in Heygen with a prompt. Let's hit Upload and choose a file from your hard drive. Click the thumbnail of the uploaded image and wait for it to be analyzed. Here you can now use one of the core new features of Heygen Photo Avatar, training your own AI model. You can upload up to 20 images of the same character. At least 10 are recommended for best results, but it will also work with less. For this example, we go with just 3 AI-generated images and then hit Train Model. Then you can specify gender, age, and ethnicity to help the AI classify your custom character model. Continue and wait for your model to be ready. Once done, you can now enter simple prompts and put your character into any scenes, clothes, and poses you can imagine. The more images you uploaded for your reference character, the better the consistency of facial features will be in your prompted images. Play with it. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's go back to the Create Photo Avatar tab and create something from scratch. Give it a name, select age, gender, and ethnicity, and put in your prompt. Select the pose, meaning camera shot size of full body, upper body, or close-up face. Select the orientation, if you want to go landscape 16 by 9, for example, or portrait 9 by 16. Generate preview and wait for the images to be ready, then pick one you like and save it. Now click on the photo of your avatar, hover over to the 3 dots, and click Add Motion. This will generate a 10-second clip for you, which will be used for the talking avatar later. Make multiple shots so you can choose what you like best. After they are done, click on the video thumbnail. Notice the little AI video label on the left down corner. Play back your video. It will be talking already as a preview. Then press Create with AI Studio. Choose Landscape or Portrait. In the Studio editor, click on Script in the left menu bar. Now you can choose from various voices in the Heygen library and also select from up to 7 emotions to give your voice a personal touch. Edit your script and put in what you want your avatar to talk about. Then hit the play button for a preview. Notice how the timeline automatically updates to length of the speech. If you already have an audio file prepared, hit the cloud icon and upload a MP3 or WAV file of your pre-made voice. One last thing. If you are in landscape mode, be sure your image is filling out the whole screen. Otherwise, you might get white borders. Hit Submit and wait for your talking video avatar to be rendered.
Hi there. I am your personal AI assistant speaking video avatar. What can I do for you today?